Hey everyone, welcome to my little studio vlog for today. It is a sweltering hot day in June. Right now it is 36 degrees Celsius, which Siri told me is like 97 degrees Fahrenheit. So I don't know about where you guys live, but for us up here in Canada, this is like, it's pretty warm. So I'll probably be sitting by the air conditioning like all day, but what I do want to do today is I want to finish up a custom bullet journal for my Etsy shop. It's a B5 journal. I've been working with some of the Archer and Olive journals lately, so that's been really fun. So I want to finish that off. I also have a few things that I might get to, might not, so no promises, but other things that I'm hoping that you'll see today are maybe some of the work for YouTube, and then also, oh yeah, I was hoping to film some reels for Instagram. So those are a few of the maybes, but definitely I will be working on a custom journal, so if you want to see a little bit about what that's like behind the scenes, I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. So here's the journal that I've been working on for the past few days, and my goal is to finish it probably today or tomorrow. But anyways, I'll just show you a few of my favorite months. I won't show you all of them. But here's January. She asked for a fruit theme for January. So I've got a bit of fruit juice here, and then just some nice pastel colors. So yeah, I really like January, and then probably my other favorite as of right now is March. So for March, she asked for a Disney theme, and I really didn't know where to go with that. I feel like there are just way too many options with Disney because they've done so much. But I decided to just go with the sort of classic Disney logo, but do that in my own way. So I'm pretty happy with how this March Disney theme turned out too. And I've also been trying out a new weekly layout where it's similar to the January one. I split both pages into 4, but then instead of having sort of the opposite corners be the accent boxes, I've just started putting it all on this side and then having the 6 days of the week be over here. So I think this might be my new favorite weekly layout for my custom journals. But yeah, those are my 2 favorite months, and I still have quite a few weekly spreads to do, so that's a big chunk of what I'm going to be doing today. So I was able to finish all of the weekly spreads this afternoon except for 1 month. So the last one that I have to do is October, and October is a Scooby-Doo theme. So I don't know how many of you guys watched Scooby-Doo growing up. I actually wasn't allowed to because it was too scary. But anyways, I had to look up some pictures, and I found their mystery machine, or the van that they always drive. So this was inspired by that, the colors from there, and there's some Scooby-Doo paw prints and some of the flowers that they have. So yeah, that's the last theme that I have to do the weekly setups for, and then it's time to make the yearly spreads in this journal. So before I continue on with the studio vlog, I just wanted to update you guys on my workspace situation and introduce you to my new chair. So a while ago, I posted this video. I got a new desk, I set it up with all of my stationery nicely organized, but ever since that time, I've been kind of looking for a chair, and I haven't really had one. I've been bouncing back and forth between borrowing my husband's chair and just rolling it in, standing, sitting on an exercise ball, and just kind of been looking for a good chair because for me, I spend a lot of my day sitting at my desk either working on a journal, posting Etsy listings, editing YouTube videos, so I really wanted something that I was going to enjoy. So fortunately, I came across these chairs by Starspace. So I personally have the Starspace gaming chair BTX 029. So this chair just really has a lot of features that I like because they're going to be good for my body in the long run. So I will highlight a few things that I like. First of all, there were a lot of different colors available. So the one that I have is the gray one. There's also black, pink, white, blue, and red. So all of the chairs though are made of leather, so they're very nice and breathable and very cushy and comfortable. I was very surprised at just how much more comfortable this is than sitting on the exercise ball that I was using before was. They also have removable armrests, adjustable seats. You can adjust the height and the tilt. So very, very customizable to make sure that you are comfortable as you're sitting. And one feature that I thought was so cool, that is probably my favorite thing, even though it's really not necessary, the little back support pillow does massage. It has 3 different setting plugins, so I can plug it into my phone charger or my computer and just be getting a little bit of a lower back massage as I'm working. So if you're interested in checking out these chairs, I do have a link in the description box and a discount code. It's Riley10 for $10 off of any of their chairs. So let me show you a little bit of what I've been working on lately. Like I said, I've been doing some digital products. So here is my digital reading journal. And by the time that this video is up, I'm pretty sure that this will be out in my Etsy shop, and also that the video flip through of it, peachy floral reading journal that I'm super excited for. And I have been doing other digital products as well. So here are the digital stickers that go along with that reading journal. And I also made some little gold foil stickers that are meant to go on the cover, which I actually had one on the cover of my journal here. Sorry, my GoodNotes is being really slow today. So now that that reading journal is totally done, I'm moving on to an academic planner for the 2021-2022 year. So I just made this little guy today. This is just the title page, and then I'm going to make the rest of the monthly pages for June. And yeah, I'm really excited for this one too, but let me know in the comments what kinds of digital products would be exciting for you to see in my shop. So I wanted to show you guys how the yearly spread, and I do have a discount code for them down in the description because I'm one of their affiliates. So let's check out the yearly spreads here. For the yearly spreads, I usually don't choose a super intense theme. I mostly just go with colors and then some simple designs. Then we have 2022, A Year at a Glance, and this is a B5 journal, so there's a lot more spot for some tasks, and then each month of the year, and there's 2 lines for mark that down on here. Then we've got a last decade. But anyway, so 150 books for 2022, so I've got 150 spots for her to write down the titles of these books as she reads them, and then we've got kind of a habits that she can try to track on the same little calendar just by putting dots in each daily square that correspond with the color of that habit. So those are all of the yearly spreads, and this journal is totally done. All that I need to do now is erase my little notes up in the corners. I'll erase those, and then I plan to flip through this journal probably sometime early next week once I've got a couple of other videos to film.